Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate mole fraction. What is the mole fraction of methanol in an aqueous solution that contains 8.5 grams of methanol and 224 grams of water? First of all, we need to use the formula of mole fraction, which is fraction of any compound equals moles of solute divided by moles of solute plus moles of solvent. Notice that in here we also don't use solution, but we use solute and solvent separated. And we continue analyzing the problem. And it is asking us obviously for the mole fraction of methanol, and it is saying that we have 8.5 grams of methanol and 224 grams of water. So we write the data. According to the data, we don't know the fraction of methanol that we have. The solute will be the 8.5 grams of methanol, and the solvent would be the 224 grams of water. Then we need to check the units. In this case, in both of them we have grams, so that means that we need to change both to moles according to the formula. So we need to use some equivalences. Both of them must be given in grams and moles. So that means that we need to calculate molar masses of both of the compounds that we have. So we start with the one of methanol, where carbon has a mass number of 12 grams per mole, and it is multiplied times 1, so we have 12 grams per mole. Hydrogen has 1 gram per mole, and we need to multiply it times 4, so we get 4 grams per mole. Oxygen has 16 grams per mole times 1 equals 16 grams per mole. We add these three numbers and we get 32 grams per mole for methanol. So that means that we have 32 grams equals 1 mole. And we continue with water. Hydrogen, again, it has 1 gram per mole multiplied times 2 equals 2 grams per mole. Oxygen has 16 grams per mole times 1 equals 16. Adding these two numbers, we get 18 grams per mole for water, and we have the equivalence of 18 grams equals 1 mole. So we continue changing the amount of grams. 8.5 grams of methanol is changed to moles. So in the parentheses, we write the 1 mole up and the 32 grams down. We multiply and divide and we get 0.26 moles of methanol. Then we continue with the 224 grams of water and we change them to moles. So in the parentheses we write the 1 mole up again and the 18 grams down. We multiply and divide and we get 12.44 moles of water. Having the two numbers in moles, now we can proceed substituting in the formula. Fraction of methanol equals the moles of solute, 0.26 moles, and we divide by the addition of the solute and the solvent. That will be 0.26 moles plus 12.44 moles. The addition of these two is 12.7 moles, so we're going to divide 0.26 moles by 12.7 moles, and we get as a fraction of methanol 0.02, and that's it. In this case, it's the only one where we don't need to add any unit, and this will be our result. Did you get it? Thank you for watching. See you next time.